I'm making something really delicious.
You will need milk, sugar, eggs, Jiffy corn muffin mix, America's favorite, and butter and sweet golden corn. Okay, go ahead and put your corn in the bowl, put the sugar in there, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. We're not done. Listen, stay tuned. This is what we're going to do. Microwave it and melt the sugar. But now we have some extra moisture. Let's get rid of that. It's gone now. Go ahead and put your Jiffy mix in, your milk. Stir, stir, stir. Mix, milk, more. Okay, mix. Mix even more with the whisk. Come on, you can do it. Look at that. Now go ahead and add your egg and whisk some more. Go ahead and use those arm muscles. Okay, go ahead and add the sweet corn. Yummy. Add, keep going, and mix. You got it. Now let's put the batter in. We're going to bake this in the oven. And it's all done, but put that hot butter on top so it can melt. Yes. And there it is. There's your cornbread. Go ahead, take a bite. Look at it, so golden, so delicious, and yummy, sweet. Stay tuned for my next cornbread recipe. It's a secret. If you're a sweet person and you have a sweet tooth, stay tuned.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. I will see you next time.